Hello kids, today we will see how water transforms. Remember that we have three states of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Increasing temperature means hotter, and decreasing temperature means cooler. Physical state of water changes with temperature. In its solid state, when it is exposed to increasing temperature or hot, changes to liquid. And liquid exposed to increasing temperature or hot changes to gas. The same happens when we expose water to decreasing or cooler temperature. It also changes. Gas exposed to decreasing or cooler temperature becomes liquid. And liquid exposed to decreasing temperature or cold becomes solid. Now it's time for your experiment. What do you need? One plate, ice cubes, and a watch. What will you do? Choose a warm place for the experiment, like your balcony or yard. Put the ice cubes on the plate at 1 p.m. The time is very important. Leave the experiment and come back at 2 p.m. Make observations. What happened to the ice? Leave again and come back at 4 p.m. What happened? Make observations and complete the worksheet attached on Google Classroom. Have fun! See you!